Welcome to another Prucknook Adventures. It's been a minute since we did a video. Today we are getting into this water heater on Miss Holly, our trailer. And I don't know if we can get down here to see this, but right there is the anode, and it's time to change it. So let's put down here and get to it. See if I got the right size. Bigger. What is that? 1 1/16. Let's see what happens. Probably gonna get my toes wet. What do you think? We'll go slow, let a little water out at a time. These are supposed to be done once a year. Ooh, I got a little bit of pressure in there. Anyway, once a year they're supposed to be done, and I'm about at a year and a half. We just bought this, so this is the first time changing this one. So let's see if that helped with the pressure at least. Ooh boy, I can see. Yeah, it is shot. Oh, it's shot bad. No bueno. Year and a half was too long for this sucker. And I do drain the tanks on the bottom. I think I'm gonna have to do like they do say here. Look at all that garbage coming out of there. Drain it from here after each trip and pull it out. No bueno. Of course, that's probably our Arizona not so soft water. Boy, that's no good. I haven't seen it that where some other videos I've seen where they're that bad. I don't know. I'm gonna get a better maintenance plan. Gonna drain it from this plug after every trip. Yippers. Let's tape. Have that. Well, that was a learning curve for me there. They say once a year, but I'll tell you what, it's like I said, it's been a year and a half, and I don't think it should have been that bad. But again, our water here in Arizona, not the greatest. And when I drain it from underneath the trailer where I've got the drain tubes for the system that come down, and I've been draining those tanks, and they're not the holding tanks, they're just for the lines. And I've got a hot and a cold drain in the back of the trailer, and I've got then I do have a freshwater holding tank drain in the front. And my big bad, by allowing that to get like that. So when I did read more on the recommendations, it's recommended after every trip that and we don't really park it for extended periods of time, because we use the trailer to at least a couple times a month. But I think after every trip I'm gonna have to pull this plug, drain it, and keep an eye on it. I mean, I don't want to have hundreds of dollars in repairs on a water heater versus a $20 part, which I'm going to put in right now. See how pretty? That's what it's supposed to look like. And they are the same length. But no. Hey. Okie dokie. And I'm sure I'm going to get comments on, oh, dude, you got to maintain that better. Everything I just said I need to do, which I am going to do for now on, is in there. So make your comments if you want about it. But yeah, it was bad. And that one, I should know better. And I hope let's see, it's going to go that way. Yeah. Like I said, I should know better. I'm just wrapping the tape. So, note to myself to be a better steward of this trailer, to keep the maintenance up, because I do not want to replace this water heater anytime quickly soon, whatever. Hopefully most of that gook is out of there. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, for the most part. Go. Put this in four-wheel drive. I don't have an extension for this one. These, I believe, was just tight. Don't pay attention to that. Edit that out. Okie dokie. Well, I hope you all enjoyed my learning lessons here on how to properly take care of your trailer. But it's installed. It's all in there now. And I'll fill it up and we should be good to go. We're headed out to Tombstone, Arizona this weekend. So please like, subscribe, share, follow us on our trips. Tombstone ought to be fun. Our daughter's probably going to really love it. She's looking forward to it. She says, oh, I'm going to go get to live the cowboy life for 5 nights. So hopefully we'll get quite a bit of nice footage for that. Y'all have a good day. All right, so we're back. We're going to try out the, I might be in the dark here, turning the power on to the water heater and everything like that, and the water pump. And I'm going to think I got enough water in here to fill it up. So let's check. Oh, control panel. And we've got water pump. I hear it rumbling. Yeah, the tank is 1/3. That's what it says. And I don't need to turn the water heater on just yet. I don't have the gas on because it's parked here, but we can go check and see what's going on over here. And there it is. And it looks like it's staying dry. So was listening for it to, so all right. Well, one job down. Now for the next one. Into the bathroom we go. No, no, no. Don't get scared. Oh, water pump, but it's still pumping water into there. I may end up emptying out the water tank to fill that. Hairbrush. Oh, you'll have to excuse me while I try to. So the water pump did its job. Now I'm in the bathroom. And, of course, it's time for Mr. Potty to say, ah. And we're going to throw some water down him. Give him a breath mint. Because we don't like taco breath in the trailer. So, I'm going to put some water in there. Sure, you just don't need to keep seeing water going in the toilet. There we go. Whew, hot in the trailer. Close it up. So when we're getting ready to go on a trip, I have my little pre-trip stuff that I do during the week. This is part of it. All making sure everything's going to be fresh and ready to go. I was very lax on that anode, and I won't be no more. Now that it's, say, 1st of October, I'm going to drain that after every trip. Keep an eye on that anode, and I'm buying an extra one now to put in the kit just to have. So, a lesson learned. Hopefully I get these videos to upload. The Lifetime 55 quart cooler. I got a bunch of junk in here because we're getting ready to go, like I said, but I still believe at Walmart they're still like $119, and they have the other ones there. It is a great cooler. I love it. I love the way it latches. It's not extremely heavy, at least for me. My wife and I can carry it just fine. we tie it down to the back of our tailgate of the trailer and pre-cool it before the trip with a couple bags of ice. Then we layer the ice with, and then the cans of drinks, ice cans, just like you're supposed to do. We were 4 days up in the Forest Lakes in 80-degree weather, and we only had 5 bags of ice that we used in there total. And the 3 bags after we put those 2 bags in lasted us that weekend, that extended weekend up there. So, anywho, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more. I'm going to try to keep it interesting. The content of our travels. I'm not a creator really. I'm just started out with this, but you want to follow us along. Tombstone, Arizona, on the 2nd of October, and we come back on the 7th, I believe. We're up there 5 nights, so it ought to be really good time up there. We're all looking forward to it. Just looking forward just to get away and camp. Have a good day. We'll see you later.